Hello, welcome back. Today I will discuss about a plugin which is WooCommerce booking plugin. I'll show how can we create bookings using this plugin. Not only full booking, I will show how can we book partially. By default, this plugin doesn't have any partial booking option. I did some customization. Let's see how it works. For example, this is a booking product which I created. By default here no partial booking option. You can choose the duration from here. I did some customization. For this reason it is now possible to book partially. Let's see how it works. For example, I am choosing half days and then pick a date. This is already fully booked, so it's showing like this. Okay, then book now. It is already added to my cart. Then let's see, it is now showing a half day partially booked. Okay, now if we check out, see here it's showing second half I have booked and duration is 0.5 days, means half days. Okay, let's pause it, check out. Okay, my payment method is not selected yet. Let's change my WooCommerce settings. Payments, here I have to choose a payment method. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now place order. See, my order already received, and then we can check from backend. Let's see my new order added here. Okay, let's check. See, I can see my details, booking details, and selected half from here. Okay, let's see how can we create this product. For example, if we check from product section, let's edit this product. See, from here we have to choose first bookable products, then we will able to choose booking system by days or hours and month. Then we can select here minimum booking duration. By default it was 1, but after my custom work it is now possible to set 0.5, means half days duration. Okay, it is just example. We can customize anything, but for this requirement I did this. Okay, then cost selection, we can set price, how much price it will be for each booking, and per block cost from here we can set. Okay, that just simple this setup, we will able to do this type of booking system actually. So thanks for watching this video.